so I did cocaine.
Material?
That's what
Okay.
Oh, but I think that might be the slogan for my child.
How's it going? Good. How's his heart?
Deep-rooted memories. Sorry, I know. Stamp foods. You guys have to understand that. Well, we're in Frederick. I didn't think everybody was going to understand that. It's a very low-tier kind of place. I do apologize. All right, let's go. Next. Disney newest princess. Aborted fetus. Jesus. I mean, that's. I can show you the world, or not after Roe v. Wade. That's fucked up. That's kind of mean. That's a fucked up thing to say. But Disney newest princess. I don't know. I'm gonna be honest with you. I've never seen a Disney movie. Except Hercules. I've never seen one. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. If we can be. I don't watch superhero movies except Black Panther. I've seen that one. I'm sorry. Who said it? Wakanda forever? That feels hella racist for you saying that. I don't know. You Stanley Tucci motherfucker looking ass.
Wakanda forever, my friend.
The devil wears Prada ass bitch motherfuckers talking about this shit, man. I see those kids now wearing those kind of shades out when I'm going out downtown, and I don't know what that thing is, man. But that guy definitely is getting more pussy than I am. So salute to him. That's all I know. This guy is serving herbal tea with rubies in him. That's all I know. That's what it looks like he's doing. I've never seen that kind of guy. Actually, that's it. I'm not doing it. Hey, one more time for Ryan Pickett, everybody. He's also here every Tuesday. Every Tuesday we do these normal open mics, so be sure to check that out if you're having a good time tonight. Who's your next? Oh yeah, he's right here. That was an easy one. Your next comedian, start clapping right now. It's Tim Kinsella, everybody. Yeah, that's it, man.
Best way to get rich is step one, invade Ukraine. I mean, profiting off the gas prices, sure. What's in Ukraine? Do they have stuff over? I didn't know Ukraine was a country until like 2 months ago or so. Do they have stuff? What's over there? Do they have like something better than gold? Alright, move on. I don't. How I met your crap mother.
Gosh.
You'll have to wait. You're like, I set him up to say, like, here we go. Bob Saget was definitely involved. I think he gave the mother crabs. Then I came in, and then he narrated how it happened. Go on. I'm not. Yep. I'd like to unwind by fucking your crab griddle mother. That's a good way to do it. That's a good way to unwind. I mean, I already got them, right? After one time, they're already there. I don't know. Like, got nothing to lose. Yeah, got a great idea.
Richard, see some Disney movies, dude. Aladdin's great, man. Aladdin's fun. My 4-year-old, unfortunately, knows what a diva cup is. It's a weird story. I'll tell him on the show. Next comic come to the stage. Thank you for doing that, Tommy, by the way. We got a handful of comics left, like 24. You guys, you don't know. We got a couple comics left. Next comic come to the stage right now. We love her. Show her some love yourself. Give it up for Emily Ralph. Give it up for Emily.
Layaway leggings? I mean, sometimes you can't afford your leggings and you gotta put them on layaway. So, yeah, right? Yeah, they are expensive, right? What was that?
What Republican I want to go back to? This is shit from the 50s or 40s or 20s.
Yeah.
Man, Quaaludes were great, right? That old guy knows what's up. Is that it? Am I done?
That's it.
That's it? Have a good evening, everybody. Bye.
Hey guys. It's like a magic trick, but I'm the only one that was good at this. This is your last comedian. For real. She's a good friend. First time up here. She's a good friend of mine. Start clapping right now for Chelsea Chainsaw.
Wow, I love that guy's shirt. Christian Gold Rock, okay? I'm a Catholic. Yeah, clap if you've seen the Catholic building in Prague. Okay, now clap because I'm taking all your virginity. What the fuck is this? Why, how the fuck did he get his head stuck in it? Is this an old Charlie Chaplin fucking joke? What am I looking at? Is that, oh, it's a football helmet. No, fuck that. I don't play football. I would never do that shit. These motherfuckers right here created that shit. They're whack, crazy. Next slide. Oh no, is that vegan? Is that mayonnaise? I knew what the chef was, okay? It's a white girl. Okay, her name is Cassidy. She came over here. What is that? Walnuts on a pizza? Ugh, I'm gagging. Pass. Come next one. Oh. Why the fuck is he in the hospital? Fucking, I don't even know. Ate shit on the skateboard. Yeah, fucking dick is burning. Looks like he just got fucking a UTI from a girl. Oh god. Next one. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I know some girls in here went on a date with this motherfucker. He looks like he works down at Classic Electric. Oh my god. Why does he need the holes in his nostrils? That's to get the fucking dicks in? Oh my gosh. Nasty. Pass. Next one.
Last one, 5.
Ooh, this is hard. What the fuck is this? We found a gun in the sewer? Oh, is that he's shooting rats in the sewer. Yeah, that's GTA Baltimore right there. Okay.
First time ever. Give her a fucking another round of applause. You all were fucking beautiful tonight. Clap for the bar staff again.
I got too much sauce. I got too much sauce.